This is the sliding NG sound. So first we're going to make an NG sound. So this is like the sound that you have at the end of the word sing. So if you say sing and you hold out the that's the sound we want. So if you aren't getting the NG sound directly like this, you can try doing sing. And once you get the NG sound, we want to drop our jaw and use the 2-finger technique. That's basically where your jaw is dropped low enough so that 2 fingers can fit in your mouth like this. So we do okay, try this with me now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. This time we're going to go up and down in pitch as we do the NG sound. Remember, your mouth has to be open the entire time. Alright? So this is how it goes. Okay, are you ready to try it with me now? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now I want you to do it on your own. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job. Make sure you do this 3 to 5 times every time you warm up.